Hey, quick question. When was the last time you actually picked up your phone on purpose? Like, for a real reason. Not because you're bored. Not because a notification popped up. If you're like most of us, yeah, it's been a while. We wake up, scroll. Eat, scroll. Go to bed, scroll. And somehow we wonder why we feel tired, distracted, or just kinda blah. Here's the thing. Your phone isn't evil. It's just really, really good at keeping your attention. And honestly, most of us are letting it run the show. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your phone work for you, not against you. So it teaches you stuff, helps you grow, and actually pushes you forward. Sounds good? Let's go. Step 1. Measure your screen time. Seriously, this is the first step. Open up screen time on iPhone or digital well-being on Android and just look. Don't freak out. Just look. You'll probably see you spend way more time than you thought scrolling for no reason. Morning? Scroll? Lunch break? Scroll? Waiting in line? Scroll. Seeing it all laid out like that is kinda eye-opening, right? That's awareness, and trust me, that's the foundation for everything else. Step 2. Reprogram your home screen. This is the fun part. Move the apps that distract you, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, into a folder somewhere far away. Put the stuff that helps you grow right on the first screen. Notes, podcasts, language apps, reading apps, calendar, whatever helps you. Here's a trick. Make the first page of your phone a workbench. Notes app, habit tracker, meditation timer. Tools that actually nudge you toward action. Put the dopamine machines, endless scroll apps, deep in a folder called Fun, so they require effort to reach. I did this myself. I moved my social apps into a folder called Fun and replaced the first page with a podcast app and notes app. 2 weeks later, I was listening to more micro lessons than I had in months. Tiny wins stack up fast. Step 3. Notifications are your enemy. Every ping is like a mini explosion in your brain. Do you really need to know every time someone likes a post? Nope. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Keep messages and calls. Sure. Mute everything else. Use focus or do not disturb during deep work or mornings. Try this. Silence notifications for 48 hours. You'll notice anxiety drop and focus grow. The world will still be there when you check it. Promise. Step 4. Build small learning rituals. Replace 20 minutes of scrolling with 20 minutes of learning. Listen to a podcast, read a few pages of an ebook, or practice a skill on an app. Even small daily habits compound. 10 minutes a day becomes 60 hours a year. That's life-changing. Step 5. Create, don't just consume. This is where the magic happens. Record a voice note when an idea hits. Write down your thoughts. Start a micro project. A 30-second video, a short post, a photography challenge. Anything. Creating trains your brain differently than scrolling ever will. When your default becomes, what can I make, instead of, what can I watch? Your phone becomes a launch pad. Suddenly, it's not a distraction. It's a tool. Quick tips. Keep a clean notes app like Notion or Google. Keep for ideas. Schedule social time instead of random scrolling. Treat social apps like snacks, not a buffet. Use timers or focus apps for work sessions. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. You'll be amazed at how productive you feel. So, here's the challenge. For the next week, track your screen time, redesign your home screen, turn off unnecessary notifications, do a daily 20-minute learning habit, and create something. even a tiny thing, every day. By the end of the week, notice how your energy, focus, and creativity shift. Tiny changes add up fast. Your phone doesn't have to be your enemy. It can be your pocket-sized classroom and studio. The difference isn't the device, it's how you use it. Take control and let that little rectangle actually help you level up. If this gave you a fresh perspective, try the challenge and maybe share it with a friend who's scrolling right now instead of growing. Catch you in the next one.